Listen to this. Hey guys, if you've been with Claudie Cooks since the beginning, you know how much I love my jerk salmon. But for summer 2026, I have refined it. This is the jerk salmon bowl you will need for the summer. It's faster, it's fresher, and the only salad you will ever need. Let's get into it. Woo-hoo! Let's start off by seasoning our washed salmon pieces. I'm using about 240 grams here. And on that, I'm going to put a dash of olive oil. Just a little. And in here, we have got Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, and that's mild. In here, we have some dried jerk seasoning, and that's Mr. Brown's jerk seasoning here as well. Black pepper and salt. We're keeping it really simple today. So in with some dried seasoning, but do this to taste, please. It's your dish, so make it your own. And I'm just going to give that a little rub. I'm going to put it all over. Of course, you can put a glove on your hand and do that, but I'm just patting this in. Now for the wet one, and this is literally a teaspoon. We're going to massage that in, up with some black pepper. I'm using some coarse black pepper and a nice pinch of salt. I'm just going to massage this in. Now that is all nicely massaged in, I'm going to set that aside to get about 10 minutes or so on it, but you can cook it straight away. But let's prep our salad. Let's peel our mango. Let's dice our mango. Now for our avocado. Hope this one is good inside. If you're not confident with the knife, please rest the avocado on the cutting board and run the knife gently around it. So we don't want any accident in the kitchen. And it is good! Yay! Just using a spoon to get it out. Its skin. This one's looking really good. Let's slice our avocado. How creamy and delicious is that looking? I don't want my fingers to smell the onion, so I've put my gloves on. So we're just going to chop this nice and finely. I know it's a salad, but I still want it to be filling and nutritious as well. So in here, I've got half a cup of washed black beans. So that's going to provide all the fillings that you will need with your protein. And in here, it's the same half a cup of chickpeas, washed and dried as well. In, we're gonna pop it there. And we've got lime here that we're just going to cut. And we're going to squeeze that all over our salad. As I said before, we're keeping it simple and fresh in flavor. Up next is some seasoning of salt and black pepper. Some good old olive oil. About 1.5 tablespoons. Now we're going to add some coriander. You can actually chop them, but I'm just going to grate the leaves off and add it, that nice freshness to our dish. This is smelling so good. I love the smell of coriander and lime. Honestly, they're my two favorite things during the summer. What a real beautiful smell. And now we're just going to mix it all up. And once we've mixed that all up, we're going to put it in the fridge, and then we'll get to frying our salmon. How beautiful is that looking? So colorful. And you just know it's going to be good and nourishing for your body. Right now, let's give this a taste. I'm just going to add a pinch more salt to that, and just a bit more black pepper. And I'm going in with just a bit more freshness in here, but it tastes amazing. It tastes really lovely and fresh. Okay, let's give this another little taste. Perfectly balanced. Let's do our salmon. Can you see that heat that is coming off that pan? It lets us know that we're ready to put our salmon in there. But first we're going to spray it with some 1 cow oil. Are you ready for that sizzle? Listen to this. We're going to cook those on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, depending on our size. It's been 6 minutes cooking, so I'm going to turn the heat off and take them off the fire and just let them continue to cook in the residual heat. And then I'll see you back when I'm plating up. For pop of color, I'm just going to pop a bit of chili on top of here. Sprinkling salt and black pepper. Just give a squeeze of lime juice to pop the flavor again. That is my modern take on a Caribbean classic. It is light, it is filling, and it takes less than 30 minutes to make. If you're ready for more Caribbean flavor for this summer, hit that subscribe button and join the Claudie Cooks family. And all of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below. Enjoy! See you in the comments!
Claudie Cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Claudie Cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.